Introducing the Lumenizer 300 by Lumenlabs. The Lumenizer 300 utilizes the most advanced FAR-UVC excimer bulbs available on the market, with precision bandpass filtration, making it safe for your skin and eyes. This technology is based on the groundbreaking work by Dr. Brenner from Columbia University. In this video, we will be covering what comes inside of the box and what to consider when installing the light fixture in your space. In the box, you will find the Lumenizer 300 unit, a universal mounting plate, wiring nuts, and fastening screws. Each Lumenizer comes with 3 L-pack bulbs pre-installed. There are no unique custom power requirements. Simply connect the 60-watt fixture to conventional 100 to 240 volt AC wiring, select your method of controlling the light, and it will immediately start disinfecting your indoor space. Before mounting the Lumenizer 300, review the recommended installation guides for optimal placement and safety considerations. Once you have determined the optimal and safe placement of the unit or units, the installation is quick and simple. When mounting to ceilings, the first thing to consider is the ceiling height. Optimal mounting heights are between 9 and 15 feet for standing and seating disinfection. For drop ceiling acoustic tile mounting, you can use off-the-shelf expandable hanger arms used in recessed lighting installations. The included universal mount has the necessary cutouts for seamless wire management and attachments to standard electrical boxes. For taller ceilings, a pendant mount and rod system will allow for effective height placement of the light while still maintaining a clean, minimal look. Most off-the-shelf controls will work with the fixture. These include integrating a remote control or IoT smartphone controllers. The most common installation is integrating a motion sensor with a manual on-off switch. The Lumenizer 300 is suitable for most indoor spaces, from break rooms to working environments to conference rooms and everything in between. The Lumenizer can be applied to virtually all spaces where we live, work, and play. To learn more about peer-reviewed science and safety compliance, visit lumenlabs.com.